इस वक्त सीधे आपको ले चलेंगे राज्यसभा, जहां पर मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे नेता विपक्ष बोल रहे हैं।
Understand what rule
statements are not allowed. Karge, you make submission.
Yeah,
What you want
I am making submission. Sir, I wish to raise a very important procedural issue relating to suspension of 12 members of Rajya Sabha for the entire duration of the session. Yesterday, on adoption of motion moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, the moving of the motion and its adoption is a gross violation of rules of procedure regarding suspension of members provided under Rule 256. At the time the Minister was moving the motion, I sought to raise a point of order under the provisions of Rule 258 of the Rules of Procedure. As per the well-established conventions, every member who seeks to raise a point of order has to be permitted by the chair to raise the point of order. Furthermore, when the leader of opposition is seeking to raise a point of order, they have to be allowed to raise the same. I was, however, not allowed to raise my point of order.
Right.
This is itself a gross violation of the well-settled, time-honored parliamentary convention. Now coming to the provisions of the suspension of members under provision of sub-rule 1 of Rule 256, before a motion is moved for suspension of any member, the chairman has to first name a member. If he is of the view that a member has disregarded the authority of the chair or abused the rule of the council.
Right, Kargeji, I heard you.
No,
I understood what you want. No, you can't make a statement. You can't make a statement. You cannot make a statement. You can make a point. You can't make a statement.
1 minute, sir.
Let others sit down.
I am quoting this.
Let others sit down. He is capable of placing it before the House.
Sir, you are not allowing 1 minute.
I allowed him. Are you going to dictate to me?
Nobody is going to dictate. How can we dictate you?
Right.
Sir,
so,
the rules of council persistently and willfully obstructing the business of the House. Only after naming of such member, the chairman shall put a question on a motion being made under sub-rule 2 of Rule 256. Hence, the suspension of any member, there are two parameters which have to be adhered to. Firstly, the naming of the members by a chairman is required prior to their suspension. Only thereafter, the motion of suspension of members so named can be moved. More importantly, this procedure is relevant only on the date of occurrence of the alleged disregard or disorderly conduct of a member.
Right.
However, yesterday,
I understood. No, please.
So I am bringing to your notice 1 minute.
Yeah, please.
Half second.
No. Take half a minute. No problem.
No, 1 minute.
Make the point.
Alleged disregard to disorderly conduct of the member. However, yesterday the motion for suspension of members was moved by the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for their alleged disorderly conduct which took place during the previous session. In the present case, none of the 12 members had been named on that particular day, bringing forward a motion to suspend the members months after the day of occurrence of alleged disorderly conduct is not in order.
Right, sir. Once I heard you in rapt attention.
Violation of the rules.
Right. I heard you, Kargeji, please.
This suspension of 12 members may kindly be revoked. I request you, sir.
Please.
And no, we came to your house. And, sir, 1 minute. All members came to your house. We requested you to revoke it, and it has been done selectively. There are some members, nothing to do with this. But this incident happened in last session. How can you take this.
Right.
So,
I heard the
please
LOP.
revoke it.
Let me clearly clarify
revoke
it
it.
for the
I-
sake of the understanding
see-
of the House as well as the nation. The Rajya Sabha is a continuing institution. And the chairman of the House of the Rajya Sabha is empowered 256, 259, 266, even other residuary powers also. Chairman can take